Hey guys, this is Dave of Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with the Fitbit Charge HR tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the wristband off the Charge HR. All the parts and tools that we'll be using in this video are available on our website and linked below. The first tool you will need is a small T2 screwdriver alongside a pry tool. Any one will work, but I specifically like to use the GB5A pry tool because it's nice and thin and it gets the job done. On the back housing, there are going to be 4 screws located in each corner. You want to go ahead and take those off with the screwdriver. You want to go ahead and move the screws aside. The next thing you want to do is grab your pry tool, and on each side here where the home button is, you want to pry up because it gets clipped in when the housing is screwed in. When you get those unclipped, the next thing you want to do is you want to notice that the wristband is rubber, but what you don't see unless you take it off is there's plastic alongside here connected to the rubber of the wristband. That way it sits flush to the back housing in the board. So when you pry in here with your pry tool, you want to make sure and get behind the plastic piece and you'll feel it. That way you don't break the actual wristband. When you get in there, you want to pry up real carefully, get that side up. Go ahead and do the same to this side. And there you have it. The band comes all in one, and as you can see, the screen cover, it all comes in one piece and it connects to all the plastic alongside here. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.